Warriors! China shuts down crypto mining projects. Is Bitcoin over? Is this the end of the bull run? My name is Coach JV, a refreshed Coach JV, the top health and mindset coach in the world. What you believe in your heart, you think in your mind will eventually become your words and become your reality. If you can see it in your mind, eventually you can hold it in your hands. What you repeatedly do gets ingrained in your subconscious mind. What gets ingrained in your subconscious mind becomes an unconscious activity. And you've been predictive programming to be in the position you're in right now. And as you look this way at a pandemic, there's a whole nother narrative going on this way. There is massive Bitcoin manipulation going on. People's lives are being ruined in the crypto space because a small group of elite people have you by the back of your neck, swinging you around to look this way, to look this way. But what if you knew the game so you couldn't be played? So what am I doing right now? When the market pulls back like this, I am buying the dip because I know the game. I spend 8 to 9 hours of research and I teach my warriors the game so they can't be played. You can click the link down below and join my private warrior academy. But warriors, the important thing to understand is this is all by design. Do you know how many announcements we've had about China shutting down crypto, China banning Bitcoin, 2013, 2017, 2021 now during the bull run? But let me break it down for you through media. Then I'm going to show you some articles and I'm going to give you the 30,000 foot overview and I'm going to give you some peace of mind. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And I'm asking you not to trust a word I say. I'm just going to present the information to you and let you make informed decisions. So I'm going to walk you through verbally what we're about to go through. You have to wait till the end. I'm going to show you a brief clip that you're going to want to click the link in my bio and go watch the full video. If you're a true warrior, you'll watch the full video. It will blow your mind. If you've been watching my YouTube channel for the last year, it will tie everything together that I've been talking about. Thank you for all the warriors that have sent this video clip to me. It's a 45, not this one, but the video I'm going to show you, got to watch till the end. I'm going to show you a brief video clip and put the website. Go watch it. It will tie everything together for you. Okay, so first thing that we're going to watch, warriors, is we're going to watch this CNBC news clip where they announced that China shuts crypto mining projects in Southwest. I'm going to stop it at a certain point and I'm going to have you listen. We're going to listen and I'm going to get the keywords for you. And then I'm going to take you on the journey and how me and my research team take deep dives to help understand the game so we can move like the billionaires. Listen up.
Bitcoin, Ether, and other popular cryptocurrencies, they are in the red this morning. Traders focused on a growing crackdown that's happening in China. Eunice Yoon joins us this morning with the latest from Beijing. Eunice.
Thanks, Andrew. So Alibaba's Alipay.
Key. Alibaba, Alipay. Listen.
And several Chinese banks are right now reminding their customers to stay away from virtual currency trading. Alipay has been warning its merchants as well as customers that they risk having their accounts restricted. China Construction and the Agricultural Bank of China say that their customers can have their accounts suspended, financial services terminated immediately, or potentially be reported to the authorities. Now,
Boom. Okay, so you got Alibaba right here. China shuts crypto mining projects in Southwest. Okay, keyword Alibaba. Now let's go do some research. This is what I've been doing all afternoon. This is what we do. Okay, so now I want you to understand who the top 5 investors in Alibaba are. Once we find out who the number 5 investor is, we're going to take a deep dive and I'm going to show you exactly what happened when this announcement was made on the news. Okay, so the top 5 investors, I just give you a hint right there. The top 5 Alibaba shareholders. Key takeaways. Alibaba is one of China's largest companies, IPO'd in September 2014 with a record-breaking $25 billion. Jack Ma, co-founder of Alibaba, is no longer the company's largest shareholder, having retired from the company last year. Very important. Joseph Taos, Ma's co-founder and the second largest shareholder behind SoftBank, Altabank, BlackRock are the top 5 holders. So BlackRock is one of the top 5 holders in Alibaba. She just announced that Alibaba told that their company Alipay to stop cryptocurrency trading. What do you think this did to the market? You saw it. It flooded the market, collapsed the market. Well, people are freaking out like it's collapsing. Okay, so top 5 is BlackRock Fund. Okay, so what happened at the exact same time? Michael Saylor from MicroStrategies tweeted out 8 hours ago. This was, how many hours ago was this? So June 21, okay, doesn't have the exact hours. These were almost at the exact same time that the news came out. MicroStrategies has purchased additional 13,005 Bitcoins, 489 million in cash at an average price of $37,000 per Bitcoin. Okay. Who owns MicroStrategy? Michael Saylor, during this announcement, buys 13,000 Bitcoin. Who is the top owner in MicroStrategies? BlackRock. Who is the top 5 holder in Alibaba? BlackRock. Who is the top holder in MicroStrategies? Who bought $13,000 in 13,000 Bitcoin? Okay, BlackRock. 1.2 million shares valued at $845 million. And they've had a 5% increase since March 2021. Since March 2021, BlackRock has increased by 5%. Vanguard and BlackRock, which I'm going to show you this video at the end, a short clip. Please stay till the end and watch this. BlackRock and Vanguard are the 2 largest companies that run the whole world. Okay. BlackRock gives 2 funds go ahead to invest in Bitcoin futures. BlackRock, Vanguard indirectly hold Bitcoin via MicroStrategies investments. World's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is trading Bitcoin futures. Warriors, I'm showing you this is all connected. Announcement, purchase, top 5 holder, BlackRock, top owner in MicroStrategy, who owns or bought 13,000 Bitcoins at that time during the announcement. MicroStrategies, top holders BlackRock, the third holder is Vanguard, okay, at $466 million of MicroStrategies. Think about that. So who does Michael Saylor report to, Warriors? Who does Michael Saylor report to? BlackRock, Vanguard. BlackRock gives 2 funds to go ahead for investment in Bitcoin futures. BlackRock, Vanguard indirectly hold Bitcoin through MicroStrategies. World's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is trading Bitcoin futures. And I'm just going to throw this in here for a little bit of fun. Bitcoin Steve Cohen, I'm doing a deep dive into crypto and I'm fully converted. I am not missing this. Warriors, I told you there's 2,275 billionaires in the world. And now this is the 8th that I've showed you, the 8th that is heavily touting cryptocurrency and investing in the cryptocurrency in the new digital age. Yes, a bunch of cryptos are going to get wiped out. So let's recap. China shuts down crypto, floods the market, your crypto portfolio collapses. Guess who's buying it? We're buying it. We're buying your fear as you jump out. So one of the biggest companies in the world, BlackRock, one of the most powerful companies in the world, BlackRock, is sitting back, who's a #1 investor in MicroStrategies, as Michael Saylor pumps up their Bitcoin portfolio. And then let's watch this brief clip of this last video. Now, this link right here is going to be in the description down below in the video. Listen to this video. I've been doing this information for you guys for over a year now on my YouTube channel. And this video is a 45-minute video. I'm just going to show a brief clip, okay, because I don't want my videos being shut down. But you click the link in my bio. It will be down there for you. And Warriors, you're going to see the whole thing tied together and why I think the way that I do and why that I'm invested in XRP, why I'm invested in Ethereum, why I'm invested in Cardano, why I'm invested in Algorand, ADA, some of the most fundamental cryptos, because a bunch of the cryptos that you're trying to pump and dump are going to get wiped out, Warriors. And many of you are jumping out of the market because of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It's by design. So we're going to watch this short video. I'll recap and let me know what you think in the comments.
In turn, they themselves are owned by shareholders. And the most surprising thing is that they own each other's stocks. Together they form an immense network comparable to a pyramid. The smaller investors are owned by larger investors. Those are owned by even bigger investors. The visible top of this pyramid shows only 2 companies whose names we have often seen by now. They are Vanguard and BlackRock.
Okay, let's stop for just a moment. So Vanguard and BlackRock have investments in all of these companies. They are all scratching their back. Vanguard and BlackRock are at the top of the mountain, Warriors. Now remember, Bank of America is connected to Ripple. JP Morgan has JPM coin. We know that Goldman Sachs is invested in Bitcoin, or they're getting involved in Bitcoin. All of these companies here have some sort of connection to Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Think about this, Warriors. Vanguard and BlackRock are the two biggest powerhouses. If you watch this full video, they're going to break down how these two companies almost own everything that you touch, smell, eat, and transact financially, Warriors. We are in the biggest shift in generational wealth in history, Warriors. We are in the biggest shift in generational wealth in history. Let me repeat that one more time. We're in the biggest shift in generational wealth in history. And I'll tell you what, Warriors, during my spiritual journey, I know my mission and purpose is to help people create freedom. That's exactly why I created my Warrior Academy. I have my crypto bags packed. I'm a hodler. I'm holding on. I know where my finances will be within the next 12 to 18 to 24 months. And I'm on my way to build generational wealth. Once this bull run is over after 2025, it's going to be a whole different game for my generation behind me. And Warriors, you have the opportunity right now. That's exactly what we do in our company, is to create freedom. You get access to my portfolio, access to my exit strategy, access to the best Discord in crypto, communication, a cryptocurrency team answering questions. But most of all, forget all the cryptocurrency Warriors, because you have to ask yourself this question. Who are you becoming in the process of? Are you satisfied with your life right now? If you were to pass tomorrow, what you pass on to your kids, your legacy, are you excited about the financial legacy, the spiritual legacy, the patterns, addictions, behaviors you're going to pass on to your kids? I wasn't satisfied with it. For the last 15 years, I've worked on my life to make sure that I'm very proud of the legacy I'm providing. That's what we've created. So with all that on top of that, I created what's called the 120-day challenge, where I take you through goal setting, vision board creation, subconscious mind programming, goal setting, habit stacking, fitness, nutrition, and we do the whole gamut to help you rebuild a new seed for your family. So that whether you have kids or not, you can leave something here on this amazing earth, Warriors. I came back from my 8-day journey and I'm on fire, Warriors. I am going to die a legend, helping as many people as possible free their dome. Because it doesn't matter if you have $1 million, Warriors. It's just going to exacerbate who you already are. It's not that you don't have money. It's that you don't have the mindset, Warriors. You've been built into a system to keep you just over broke. That's how it works. So it's time to free your dome, free your mind, Warriors. You have the opportunity of a lifetime. Now, may it not be crypto, but looking at where the world is going, gas, solar, wind. Think about the World Economic Forum. Where are they taking us to? A zero carbon by 2050. We won't have an opportunity like this in history again. In your lifetime, my lifetime, or my kids' lifetime, Warriors. So it's time to activate. It's time to get part of a group that's going to help you through this quantum financial system. But our system is not a get-rich-quick thing. It's not a get in here and go through pump and dumps and make some quick money, because we're not looking for those types of people. We're looking for generational shifters, people who want to change their life for generation after generation. So if that's you, Warriors, click the link down below in the description. You're going to see the link to this video right here. Watch the whole video. You can also join our private Warrior Academy, or you can join our free Facebook group, Warriors. It's totally up to you. But what you can do is you can't just sit back as the whole world shifts right before your eyes, Warriors. It's not left. It's not right. It's nothing outside of you, Warriors. It's looking you right in the face. It's you. It's time for you to make the change. My name is Coach JV. I am the top health and mindset coach in the world. What you believe in your heart, you think in your mind, will eventually become your words and become your reality. As we always say, Warriors, rise. Time to get our shit together. Let's go.